Hello, everyone, and welcome to my podcast discussion of the elements of art and principles of design. My name is Nathan Simpson, and I am a recording arts student at Full Sail University. For my art history class, I was given the task of making a podcast to discuss the elements of art and the principles of design. In order to complete this and show you a visual description of what I'm talking about, I'm going to be using the example of Salvador Dali's The Disintegration of the Persistence of Memory. In our discussion today, we're going to first talk about the elements of art. Within the elements of art, we'll start with color. Color implies the usage of color combinations throughout a piece of work. Line, most often used to define shape. Space and shape. Positive space making up the subject matter and negative space making up the background. Texture and surface. The implied texture of the subject matter within the piece. Time and motion. Implied passage of time or movement by the artist. Now, we're going to take a look at the principles of design. Balance. The overall balance and distribution of subject matter in a piece. Scale and proportion. The comparison and relationship of subject matter to each other. Repetition and rhythm. The use of objects and patterns to guide a viewer throughout the work. Unity and variety. The overall completeness of a piece. Do all the elements come together to make a complete work? So all of that put together is the elements of art and the principles of design. That being said, I think that those kind of represent what makes art on a very technical level, and on a personal note, I think art is really what you make of it, and it's kind of what it means to you more than anything else. So, that being said, thank you very much for listening to my podcast, and I hope to see you later.